Hi, my name is Tamara. Thank you for stopping by my video today. We are going to take a moment to slow down, let go of some tension, to relax, and to come into our breath and enjoy a little bit of sound healing. So I'll invite you to begin by taking an easy seat. You can be on the floor or you can be in a chair. It doesn't really matter. You just want to be sitting comfortably. Allow the palms to face upward, hands are resting on the backs of the thighs, and we'll connect our thumb and index finger on each hand. And this is Gyan Mudra, just a very calming hand gesture. So from here, allowing our eyes to close lightly, looking down just past the nose, or if you're comfortable, you might close the eyes even more. Feel the shoulders relaxing down. And then we'll begin a series of inhaling through the nose and exhaling through an open mouth. So you'll go at your own breath length, just inhaling deeply. And when you're ready, exhale. Inhale. We feel our shoulders softening as we exhale. When we inhale, that breath is starting deep in the belly. And let's go through one more time. Inhale. Good. So just sitting here now and take a normal breath in through the nose, out through the nose. Just a nice equal breath. And allow the head to turn to the right, taking an inhale over the right shoulder. And exhale all the way over to the left shoulder. So we're just going side to side. Inhale over to the right. Exhale over to the left. So we feel our shoulders low and away from the ears and just continuing to breathe in this way. Inhaling over the right shoulder. Exhaling to the left. Good. All right. So coming back to center, and I will introduce another breathing exercise, and this will be activating the cooling side with single nostril breath. So we'll be inhaling and exhaling through the left. So we will take our right hand up. I like to put the thumb under the nostril or just to the outside of it, and the pointer and the middle finger into a light touch in between the eyebrows. The other hand, Gyan Mudra again, back of the hand resting on the thigh. Thumb and the index finger to touch and the other three fingers to be out loose. So we're inhaling through the left side. Exhale out an open O-shaped mouth. And continue inhaling left. Exhale out an O mouth. So continuing in this way while I support you with a little bit of sound therapy. Inhaling through the left, exhaling out an open O mouth. And you feel your body starting to soften around the hips. The sitting bones are grounding. Shoulders are heavy. We'll take one more breath together in this way, inhaling through the left nostril. Exhaling out an open O mouth. Good. Allowing that hand to drop naturally back down to the thigh. Both hands are into Jnana Mudra. Breathe naturally for a moment and then flutter your eyes open. And that's it. So hopefully this moment was adequate to bring you into a state of calm so that you can go back to your day. We've activated the parasympathetic nervous system through breathing and through the sound therapy, symphonic gong, chimes, singing bowls, chakra drum, and then also the Tibetan singing bowls. My name is Tamara. You can find out more about me at www.mindbodynow.com if you're looking for yoga, meditation, sound, healing. Thank you very much. Namaste.